Daily word list. Greenfield, noun.
New facility, relating to the new production facility that has never been used for any development, whereas brownfield means existing facility.
Rebound, noun.
Recovery, rallying, picking up after a decline.
Pandemic, noun.
The worldwide spread of a new disease. The illness spreads around the world and typically affects a large number of people across a wide area.
Pre-pandemic, noun.
Before the pandemic.
Nurture, verb.
Encourage, promote, stimulate, foster, further, advance, boost, strengthen.
Ebb, verb.
Diminish, decrease, lessen, decline, fade away, wane, dwindle, disappear.
Ebbing, noun.
Decrease, decline, diminishing, lessening, waning, dwindling, fading away.
Accompany, verb.
Coincide with, coexist with, go along with, appear/occur with.
Lifting, noun.
Removal, withdrawal, discontinuation, relaxation of restrictions.
Spur, verb.
Stimulate, encourage, prompt, galvanize.
Indicator, noun.
Index.
Index, noun.
An economic data figure reflecting something, for example price/quantity, compared with a standard or base value, pointer, indicator.
Lead to, verb.
Result in, cause, bring on.
Much awaited, adjective.
Eagerly anticipated, expected, long awaited.
Revival, noun.
Improvement, rallying, picking up, re-establishment, reintroduction, restoration.
Projects today, noun.
India's largest databank with updated projects information on new and ongoing projects from all sectors across India. Projects Today is also an effective tool to gauge the direction and distribution of investment flows in different sectors, states, regions and even districts of India.
Capital spending/capital expenditure, noun.
The money spent on the acquisition of assets like land, buildings, machinery, equipment, as well as investment in shares.
On the ground, phrase.
In a situation/place where things are happening really/practically.
Robust, adjective.
Strong, powerful.
Sequential, adjective.
Done in sequence, continuous, consecutive.
Sequential growth, noun.
A company's growth measured/tracked in sequence, short terms, like quarter to quarter.
Quarter, noun.
A period of 3 months, considered as 1/4 of a year.
Insipid, adjective.
Uninteresting, boring, unexciting, lackluster, pathetic.
Enhanced, adjective.
Improved, augmented, increased.
Infrastructure, noun.
The basic physical or organizational structure for something to function properly.
Uptick, noun.
A small increase or upward trend.
Outlay, noun.
Expenditure, expenses, spending.
Sustain, verb.
Continue, carry on, keep up, maintain, bolster up.
Production-linked incentive scheme, noun.
As the name suggests, the scheme provides incentives to companies for enhancing their domestic manufacturing apart from focusing on reducing import bills and improving the cost competitiveness of local goods. PLI scheme offers incentives on incremental sales for products manufactured in India.
Critic, noun.
Censurer, attacker, fault finder.
Retro style, noun.
A style that is imitative or consciously derivative of trends from the historical past, old-fashioned, backward-looking, retrogressive style.
Push, noun.
Effort, initiative, drive.
Nudge, verb.
Push, prod, encourage, prompt.
Worth the effort, phrase.
If you say that something is worth the effort, you mean that it will justify the time and energy that you have spent on it.
Accrue, verb.
Accumulate, collect, gather, amass, receive.
So far, phrase.
Until now, up to the present, up to this point.
Spell out, phrasal verb.
Explain, make clear, elucidate/clarify.
Hand over, phrasal verb.
Pass, transfer, give responsibility for something.
Outright, adjective.
Complete, total, full.
Public sector firm or enterprise/public sector undertaking, noun.
Companies owned by the Union Government of India or one of the many state or territorial governments or both together in parts. The company stock is majority owned by the government in a PSU.
Decade, noun.
A period of 10 years.
Ring in, phrasal verb.
Signify, indicate, herald, signal.
Reiterated, adjective.
Retold, repeated, restated.
Stance, noun.
Position, approach, standpoint.
Have no business, noun.
To have no legitimate reason/authority/right to do something.
Business, noun.
Running a commercial, firm, company, enterprise, venture.
Long bleeding, adjective.
Long suffering, long anguishing.
Festering, adjective.
Simmering, fuming, smoldering, brewing, become worse/intense.
Folly, noun.
Foolishness, stupidity, madness, irresponsibility, thoughtlessness.
Pursue, verb.
Engage in, conduct, take part in, take up, an activity.
Retro tax/retrospective taxation, noun.
Retrospective taxation allows a country to pass a rule on taxing certain products, items or services and deals and charge companies from a time behind the date on which the law is passed.
Tax terrorism, noun.
The aggressive attitude of the government to collect higher taxes by retrospective amendments to the tax laws and other stringent measures was termed as tax terrorism.
Noise, noun.
Remarks, comments.
Swiftly, adverb.
Rapidly, quickly, fast, speedily.
Enduring, adjective.
Lasting, long-lasting, continuing, persisting, constant, stable, steady, steadfast.
Perception, noun.
Understanding, discernment, recognition/realization, interpretation.
Moreover, adverb.
Besides, furthermore, in addition.
Seek, verb.
Try, aim, attempt.
Pact, noun.
Agreement, treaty, deal, contract.
Scale up, phrasal verb.
Increase, expand, augment, step up.
Ties, noun.
Association, relationship, bond, connection.
Image, noun.
Public perception/impression, reputation, stature, status.
Socioeconomic, adjective.
Relating to the interaction of social, position, rank, or importance, and economic, income, pay, and wealth, aspects.
Adherence, noun.
Compliance, observance, conformity.
Rule of law, phrase.
It is described as a principle of governance in which all persons, institutions and entities, public and private, including the state itself, are accountable to laws that are publicly promulgated, equally enforced and independently adjudicated, and which are consistent with international human rights norms and standards.
Refrain from, verb.
Stop oneself, abstain, desist from, hold back.
Heavy-handed, adjective.
Oppressive, overbearing, high-handed, harsh.
Norm, noun.
Standard, convention, rule, rules of conduct.
Consumer protection, e-commerce, rules, 2020, noun.
The Department of Consumer Affairs in the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution issued Consumer Protection, E-commerce, Rules 2020, E-commerce Rules 2020, which came into force on the 23rd of July 2020. These rules shall apply to a. all goods and services bought or sold over digital or electronic network including digital products. b. all models of e-commerce, including marketplace and inventory models of e-commerce. c. all e-commerce retail, including multi-channel single-brand retailers and single-brand retailers in single or multiple formats. And d. all forms of unfair trade practices across all models of e-commerce.
Influence, verb.
Affect, have an effect on.
Merit, verb.
Deserve, justify, be worthy of.